Is the Shift+2 at key not working on your Windows 11 keyboard? Here's a quick two-step fix. Press the Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run command window. In the Run command search window, type services.msc and hit Enter to open the Service Manager window. In the Services window, go to the right side and under the Names column, look for Windows Update. Double-click on the Windows Update service to open its Properties window. In the Windows Update Properties dialog box, under the General tab, navigate to the Startup Type field. Here, select Manual from the drop-down next to it. Next, go to the Service Status section and click on Start to start the service. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, close the Services window, reboot your PC, and you should now be able to install your preferred language in the Settings app, and that may help you to start using the Shift+2 keys on your keyboard to be able to create the @ symbol. Press the Win plus I keys simultaneously on your keyboard to launch the Settings app. In the Settings window, go to the left side of the pane and click on Time and Language. Now, go to the right side of the window and click on Language and Region. Next, in the Language and Region Settings window, on the right side, go to the Preferred Languages section and check for the installed languages. Here, in my case, I need to install the English United States language or make it the preferred language. If it's not already installed, click on the Add a Language button. In the Choose a Language to Install pop-up window, type the name of the language in the search bar that you want to install. For example, English, United States. Next, select the language from the results and press Next. In the Install Language Features window, you can choose to select the optional language features and then click on Install. Now wait till the language is installed. Once installed, under the Preferred Languages section, go to the language you just installed and click on the 3 horizontal dots on its right. To make the language your preferred language, click on Move Up, and the language will move up as the primary language. You can choose to keep the other language or delete it by clicking on the 3 dots next to it and by clicking on Remove. Restart your PC and check if you can now use the Shift+2 combination keys to create the @ symbol. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.